Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video you will learn in detail about the measure tool that are available in the AutoCAD and its benefits. So the measure tool plays a very important role in AutoCAD to draw anything. So the measure tool plays a very important role to give the information at any time. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. So the measure tool available in the AutoCAD is here, which is in the Home tab and in the Utilities. So this is the measure tool. So if you want to if there is a line, and let's suppose this is a line, and we don't know that how much it is. So if you want to measure the distance, so you can click here in the measure tool in the drop down button. When you click on the quick, so when you only just touching the line, the cursor, so it will give its length. Now you can see if the cursor only touches the line, so it gives their dimension, which is 4.4910 inches. So this is the use of the measure tool to measure the length or distance of any object in the AutoCAD. So in the drop down menu there is another option, which is distance. When you click on the distance, so now you can see in the command line required to specify first point. So now this is the first point, and now you can see in the command line it required to specify the second point. So I want to click here to be second point. Now when I click here, now you can see in the command line history, when I just click, so you can see here the distance is this much in the x-axis, 4.4910 inches, and in the y direction is 0, and in the z direction is 0. So now you can measure the distance of any line object by using the measure tools, and in the measure tool using the distance tool options. So if you want to measure the radius, let's suppose this is a circle and we don't know that how much is the radius of this circle. So if you want to measure and to know that how much the radius of the circle, so when you click on the measure in drop down buttons and in the drop down menus, when you click on the radius, now you can see in the command line it required to specify or mean to select an arc or circle. So you want to select this, and now when I click just on the circle, you can see in the command line history. So when I just click, you can see the diameter of the circle is this much, and the radius of the circle is 0 feet and 1.1455 inches, and the diameter is equal to 2 times of the radius, which is this much. So through this you can measure the radius of any circle in AutoCAD or the radius of any arc. So now if there is two lines, one is this one and the another is this one, and you want to measure the angle between these lines, so means to measure the angle of this line with this horizontal line, So by clicking on the measure tools in the drop down menu, so you can see that here, so here this is the angle. So when you click on the angle options, so now you can see the command line is required to select arc, circle, line or specify the button. So we click on this line. Now you can see in the command line to specify to select the second line. So I click here. So when I just click, you can see the angle has been affaired, which is 24 degree in the command line history. So by this way you can measure the angle between any two lines or planes in the AutoCAD. So this measure tool. And the next option is the area. If you want to find the area of a closed object or figure, so when you click on this, and now you can see in the command line it's required to specify the first corner or the object. So we want to measure the area of this circle, so we will click on the object. Now you can see in the command line it's required to select the object. So you want to select this object, and when I just click on this object, you can see you in the command line area will be calculated. So when I just click, it has become blue green, and now you can see the area, which is this much. The area of this circle is 4.1226 square inches, and in feet it is 0.028629 square feet, and the circumference of this circle is this much, 7.1976 inches. So by this way you can measure the different things like the lengths, angles and areas by using this measure tool. And the last option is the volume. So through this you can measure the volume of your 3D object. So this was all about that how to measure the different associated things with the objects like the lines to measure the distance or length, and to measure the area and to measure the angle. So you can use these tools which is easily available in the AutoCAD. So if you have any questions you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.